What is it? Do you want this one or do you want a different one?
I wonder if it's working. Well, usually these things light up.
Color?
Well, no, they light up when you put the money in. So I'm sure it's working.
Do you want?
Do you have 100 yet?
Yeah.
No.
Here.
I have a $100 bill.
Take 2 zeros off. That's how much money in American.
Pretty sure this is. Oh wait, no, this is $10. So I'm pretty sure this is $100.
It's not. I took out $100, so why would I have $200? What are you gonna get? God, it's gonna give me all ones. 100 yen. It did. It literally just gave me all 100. It literally just gave me all 100 yen.
Charge me.
That's what I get. Well, I don't get a drink, Curry?
You never told me what you wanted. I've asked you like 6 times. You never responded. So what do you want?
Here, take my coin.
Coin.
Actually, no, I'm gonna get something from a different one. I don't like anything in here.
Okay, I'll hold on.
Hold on to the coin. Let's go. Are you getting something? No. Okay. Look behind you.
Where to go? Everywhere. Everywhere. Let's have it with a joke
Keep it.
It's smoking though. No, look at my spoon. It's like.
It's so hot. It's so hot.
It seriously is.
Delicious. You can do it. I believe in you.
It's spicy and it's hot.
Hot and spicy.
Yeah.
Just like you. How you feeling, Curry? You did. We did. What are we watching? So this is our little apartment. It's pretty cute. This is one bed. That's another bed. That bed turns into a couch. There's Miku. She's chilling. And this is pretty nice outside. My slippers. Yep. Very cool. We're on the 7th floor. Little table we get. Got a little table. Gotta take off your shoes. Alex is somewhere in there. It's okay. I believe in you. I won't look at you. You'll break my camera lens. The fridge. Microwave. Oh, I think we have a toaster right there. Toaster oven, that, sink, little stove tap, and everything else in here. Excuse me.
The cat's gonna sit in it. Sit in it. They're telling you why you should buy this bowl.
Because
Yeah,
cats
I want
sleep
it
in
because
it.
cat's sitting in it.
Makes sense.
That's all you need to tell me.
Right.
He's still sitting in it.
It's like 6 in the morning right now, so nothing's open. True.
Because they open late.
We could go walk around, go to 7-Eleven, get some breakfast. You want to do that? Yep.